Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting where the storage lives, in your Apple ID settings. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and manage storage so you can see what's using space. Once you identify large items, backups, photos, app data, pause to confirm you won't need them. That avoids accidental loss. If you plan to remove a backup, make a local copy or confirm a recent device backup exists. Now pick the first item to delete and follow the prompts for that item type. Now you'll remove the selected items with care. For photos, delete in Photos, then empty recently deleted so space frees up. That's necessary because iCloud keeps deleted photos for 30 days. For device backups, select the backup, choose Delete Backup, and then optionally disable iCloud Backup for that device to stop future growth. For app data, pick the app in Manage Storage and delete its data or offload the app. Offloading keeps documents if supported. Finish by verifying that your storage numbers dropped in Manage Storage. Sometimes the dashboard takes a minute, so wait and then restart your device to force refresh. If deleted files reappear, check all linked devices and iCloud. Some apps sync copies from other devices or the web. When sync stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or use iCloud. To delete stubborn files directly, that forces server-side removal. If you're unsure, keep one backup until you confirm everything you need is safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.